plug it?
I'd love to, yeah.
Plug it, go for it.
Rezel Vineyard, award-winning wine from North Lincolnshire. Buy online, HighwaysIndustry.Com. June, the original version from 1985, I believe. Coffee. I wanted to be an architect. That depends who you ask that question to. So I would say, or my wife would say, my phone, the dog, and my car. Whereas I would say family, family and family. Foresight, or to see into the future, but restricted to short duration. America. In, definitely. Toad in the hole, with plenty of onion gravy and mushy peas, lots of mashed potato. Animals, get more sense out of them. Now that's a difficult one, and I knew you were going to be asking me this one. I think I'd have to say gin and juice, but the version by the Gourds. I think Donald Trump, because I'd like to know what's going on the inside there. I think that would be entertaining. Dogs, definitely, even though I got bit last week. My mother, I'm going to say Richard Branson. Not because he's been successful, I just think he'll have something interesting to say. And my two brothers. The original three were awesome, so I was 7 when that came out, but I think the rest of them are pretty sad. I'd like to have learnt to play the guitar. I would say late 20s, because that's probably around about the time I grew up, maybe. Difficult one. I would say cheese. Landman. Can't wait for the next one to come out. That would be, well, fortunately my wife's one of my work colleagues, so I'd pick my wife. I make wine, award-winning wine.